All right, afternoon update. Well, so things have calmed down a little bit. We saw a rebound in the price of oil, which is good, and that came from the big drawdown in gasoline inventories. I spoke about that earlier in a video that I put up here. We see some good contrarian indicators for the stock market. I saw Dennis Gartman, one of my favorite contrarian indicators, out on CNBC, I think it was, talking about how stocks are in real trouble here. You'll notice there has been, once again, a buildup in negative sentiment, bearish calls. You had that Goldman saying, just get out for 3 months. Then you get back in. Get out for 3 months. I cannot understand for the life of me how, especially a firm like Goldman, would make a call like that. That's like a call you'd hear from, I don't know, one of the mousy boys or cockroaches following me on this YouTube channel. You know, I had a guy the other day who said to me, with this whole oil thing, why didn't you just stop yourself out at 42 and then get back in when it went down to 39? Which is a ridiculous comment, because anyone who says something like that, that implies that you know the future. And I've been through this a million times, and this is the problem with a statement or a so-called, trading wisdom, quote unquote, like cut your losses short and let your profits run. Because implied in that statement is a belief that your profits are going to run, or that you're cutting your losses short. You don't. Anyone who says, why didn't you just stop out at 42 and then get back in at 39, is an idiot. You don't know the future. We deal with probabilities here. We deal with information. We deal with understanding. Things can go against us, okay? There's no law, and you don't know if you stop yourself out that it's going to go down to some other point and you get back in. That is a completely idiotic statement. Okay, so you had Dennis Gartman negative on stocks now, and he is one of the best contrarian indicators out there. Now, the fiscal flows I alluded to, we're going to see what that is this afternoon. We might still need a few days more in August to really get a definitive, but right now all I can tell you is that they are strong with the data that we have so far, which is right up until August 1st. Okay, we'll get the August 2nd today at 4 p.m. Very strong in all ways that I look at them, and I look at them nominally, I look at them year over year, I look at them percentage change year over year, I look at them from the change or where they stand relative to their 50-day moving average. I mean, it's all telling me the same thing, that things are just going to continue to go on this glide path that we have seen and possibly accelerate. That's the key thing. It's not now a sort of a rising risk environment. It's really a question of status quo or accelerate. That's what it is. And I'll know that, and the MMT Trader subscribers will know that as well. So we are going to end up probably most likely to be correct in oil. It was a rough trade, but it'll end up correct. Now, for those of you who do not have your 30-day free trial of MMT Trader, please go to www.pitbulleconomics.com, click on the tab that says products, sign up for your 30-day free trial. There is no obligation, okay? Get it free for 30 days, and plus you can look at all the back issues. So you can go all the way back and look at everything. We had one guy up here who said, I don't even know. All right, forget it. I'm not going to get into it. All right, that's it for now. See you guys later. Bye-bye.